All right, buckle up tech enthusiasts because Apple just dropped a bombshell. The tech giant revealed their ambitious plan to invest $500 billion in the United States over the next 4 years. Yes, you heard that right. This is Apple's largest domestic investment plan ever, and it's setting off fireworks in the tech and business worlds. So what exactly is Apple up to with all these Benjamins? For starters, they're building a spanking new manufacturing facility in Houston specifically for AI servers. This is a massive move as it marks a significant shift of Apple's AI server production back to US soil, which should make Uncle Sam quite happy. It's always a pleasure to support American innovation, as Tim Cook would say. The Cupertino-based company is also doubling down on its US Advanced Manufacturing Fund, bumping it up to $10 billion. Plus, they're in a hiring spree, aiming to bring on approximately 20,000 new employees for their research and development efforts across the country. That's a lot of jobs, and an impressive commitment to US-based tech development. But it's leaving some folks raising a skeptical eyebrow. Now, this announcement hits right in the middle of some geopolitical tension. Ever since President Trump's tariffs on Chinese imports were revealed, businesses have been a bit jittery. The threat of a 25% tariff specifically targeting chips gives Apple every reason to bolster its operations stateside. What ensues is sort of chess-like gambit Apple pulled to potentially shield itself from the potential fallout of these trade tensions. Interestingly, while Apple is casually throwing around $500 billion like it's spare change, several industry experts aren't buying the hype. Literally. James Canos from Kinnikos Associates pointed out that Apple's current capital base is less than $160 billion, calling a $500 billion commitment into question. Numbers don't lie, and these numbers look a bit fishy. Moreover, if you adjust for inflation since Apple's last major US investment announcement in 2021, this bold $500 billion plan is basically less shiny. Truth bomb delivered by analysts. Accounting for inflation, this level of promised spend is more of a step back than a leap forward. Meanwhile, eyeing Apple's next chess move, new MacBook Air models with their latest M4 chip are rumored to drop next month. These spicy little laptops are expected to boast serious AI performance boosts. So if you're on the market for a new MacBook Air, you might want to hold off on clicking checkout because these M4 chips are expected to give the current versions a run for their money. All in all, Apple's money move, massive as it is, comes amidst corporate juggling acts as it races to outdo giants like Microsoft and Meta in the AI space. And who can forget Google's war chest and Alibaba's keen eye on expansion? So there we go, folks. Apple's latest investments beg the question of optics versus reality. Are they paving paths for innovation, or just paving over inflation pitfalls? We'll be watching. Thanks for watching to the end. Remember, this is just one story from our full daily show, which includes all the other news and an analysis of the day's tech market activity. If you found this video interesting or insightful, then please like, subscribe, and share it with others. Your support is greatly appreciated. Catch you later.